Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. Today we have our helper James, and he is going to help us unbox another toy. James, what toy do we have today?
So kids, today we have the Ryan's 2 prize surprise. And actually, if you could see right here, we have 7 mystery prizes inside. So let's see what we could get.
Yeah, let's go.
And let's do it. Okay. So you might see, you might not. There are some red bags, which all of them are. So right now, I'm just gonna.
Oh, confetti! Yeah,
confetti! That was unexpected.
Yes, that was so cool.
Here's another one. The last thing.
Oh, let's go! Now we're just gonna quickly go through and open all the toys.
Okay, so let's do the longest one. Okay, so let's just see.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, that's way too fun. So
the second one. Second bag.
Second bag. What do we have here?
What is it?
We have, I think this is astronaut.
Wow, the red astronaut Ryan.
Yes.
Very nice.
It's very cool.
Very cool.
So let's get into the third one.
Third bag.
So, I don't know if you could see here. I don't know if you could see the face. So we have Mo. Yeah, there it is.
Mo ring.
We have the Mo, the monster. We got Combo Panda. Oh, we actually have one more. And it is Gusto Gummy Gator.
Yay!
I like gummies. And I love the gummy gator. I like your game. That's the gummy gator. The last one.
The last bag.
You can kind of see through it.
It's a tattoo. But a tattoo of what? What do you think? I think it's gonna be Gus the Gummy Gator tattoo.
I think it's going to be a Ryan tattoo.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, let's see. So first of all, we have Combo Panda.
Oh my goodness!
Combo
Awesome.
Panda.
And the second one is
we have Ryan.
Ryan. Awesome! This is so cool.
So these are all the toys we got. So let's start. We have Mo, Combo Bunga, Combo Panda. We also have Astronaut Ryan, Gus the Gummy Gator.
That's 4.
Combo Bunga Tattoo.
That's 5.
And we have Orion's tattoo.
That's 6.
And the last one, personally, my favorite.
And that's 7. So children, today we're going to talk about Tony Robbins quote. The quote for today is, "Nothing in life has any meaning except the meaning you give to it." Another way of saying that is, nothing is important to you except you make it important. So my question to you children is, what is important to you? Is school important to you? Is passing your exams important to you? Is becoming the best scientist important to you? Remember, nothing in life has any meaning except the meaning you give to it. So if you don't make it a priority in life, if you don't make it important in life, then it will have no meaning. Then it will have no purpose. So what I want you to do today is go get a piece of paper and write all the things that have meaning to you. If you write them down and put them on the wall where you can see them, because once you see them every day, you begin to work on that thing that is important to you. And as you begin to work on it, it will get more meaning, and you begin to see them, then they become a reality to you. If you learned something from today's video, please share with your friends and family. like this video and subscribe to our channel. You know what we always say on this channel? It's not impossible, cause I'm unstoppable. It's not impossible, cause I'm unstoppable. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye. Bye.